Hey guys, V Mystery here. I am so excited to be here because if you are somebody that wakes up in the morning with puffy eyes because maybe you drank a little bit too much wine yesterday night, maybe you had some salty food, alternatively, sometimes if you go on certain medications, you might notice that baggage underneath there. I am going to walk you through a full tutorial which will help depuff that stagnant lymph that is situated right there, creating those bags. So if you're ready, go grab your Gua Sha Cryo stick and let's go. So now that you have your Gua Sha Cryo stick, make sure you have slip and glide underneath the eye. The best time to depuff your eye is in the morning. So you can start with your favorite cleansing balm, your favorite cleansing oil. You could equally do this at the end of your ritual once you've put on your eye cream. If you tend to find that you're not wearing a lot of makeup, this is going to be perfect. So the Gua Sha Cryo stick that you want to grab is, as you can see, nice and frozen, and it's the largest ergonomic pointing upwards because this is going to really help give us that nice sort of slide in to that nice crevice. Oh, it's cold, guys. And then in a nice slow sweeping motion, take it all the way out to the temple. You can see I go right into that hairline. You have to drain right into that temporaris. Let's do that one more time. And in terms of the actual pressure, you don't want to press too hard. When we're talking about lymph, it sits very high in the skin. So if you press too deep, you're not going to get that depuffing that we're really looking for in this particular massage technique. So go right into the corner and then underneath, right into the temple. So maybe for allergy season, you might find this is going to be your savior. Now finally, take all the way from the temple, all the way to the outer hairline, take it all the way down the neck, and drain all the way in to the clavicle. That's just going to drain all of that fluid from the under eye all the way into the largest gutter. Hope that's helped you. Do this every single morning if you wake up puffy, and this is going to be your absolute savior. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below, and I'll see you next time. Much love.